We received a message today advising two subjects that are planning to make a deal here. So for now, we're going to stay here using our drone to monitor the area. We've been waiting for over an hour now. There hasn't been any suspicious activity yet. Hey, someone's coming out. Hurry up, get that. Use the camera and zoom in. Yeah, that's definitely a deal. Hey, come on, start recording this. Did you get that? Oh no, I forgot to hit record. What do I do now? I'll just start hitting record now. No, it's fine. We've got the pre-recording function. It actually captures the last 30 seconds before you hit record. Okay, yeah, that'll work. We got that transaction down. That's footage. That'll serve as enough evidence. Oh, hold on. Let me just check it came through. Oh, it really got the whole thing. Okay, that's really helpful. Yep, that's perfect. That works really well. Copy it over.